Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your age on your TikTok account. So when you create your TikTok account, and you are entered your age wrong, and you don't know how to fix it, you are in right place, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. If we go on TikTok settings, we can see that TikTok doesn't have any option to change your age. Maybe in the future TikTok will add this option, so today we need to use this method. First, open your TikTok app. After that, click on this profile little icon in bottom right corner. When you come on your profile, you need to tapping on this 3 lines in top right corner. Then go on settings and privacy. Now scroll down to report a problem, and when you find it, go on it. After that, you need to click on Account and Profile. When you come on this, click on Editing Profile. Now, scroll down, and go on Other. You can see we don't have option to edit our age, so we need to click on Need More Help. Now we need to type message for TikTok staffs, and type something like this. You have this text and description of this video. And when you done, tapping on submit, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.